Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, my students, in a new lesson. In this lesson, inshallah, we learn how to add a header to my website. And this example, okay, header for our website. Now, back to the code. And here, as the first thing, add a page. For example, page 1. This was example. Here, to write a new code, HTML. Now, add a basic element for my page, and inside the body, I'll add three things. Number one, div the container as a container for the header, and picture and title. Okay, now here add number one, div, and inside div I'll add img, and here inside the source attribute I'll add my picture, school, yep, and remove this forward slash. Now I add a header at the h1 and right here my school, or write your school name as you like. Now I added the basic element. Now make a preview to see the result. Yep, without CSS code. Now I'll add CSS code to my page. Number one, div as a style, then background color. Inside the style attribute I'll add a background color, width and height. Okay, style, background color here, for example blue. Hover the mouse, then from RGB to hexadecimal code, then change the color, something like this as you like. Now, after we added the background color, semicolon to the width here, for example, 100%, 100% to the according to my page. Okay, and the height, for example, 320 pixel. Okay, now preview, it's okay now. Now decrease the picture, style, for example, um, height, make it 150 pixel, sorry, height, and also the width, a square like this. Okay, now bring the picture inside here in the middle, in the center of the div, by adding the following code. Now, margin right equal 02, and margin left equal 02 from the right and the left. Okay, margin right 02, and here margin left, no, yeah, like this. Then the last thing, without the last thing I can't bring the picture here, I have to add here display block. Here refresh the page, it's okay now. But about the h1 element here, to bring the text in the center, add text align center. Okay, and change the color of my h1 by using color property and any color like this. You can increase the font by using font size, make it 50 pixel, as you like. Now there is spaces between the div and the page here. To fix this problem, go to the body and right here style and edit the margin and put 0 pixels. There is no margin. Then refresh my page like this. Thank you.